Now that we've seen what the radar is showing, it's time to now get a look outside. Meteorologist Dana Osgood joins us live from off Congress Street near the Shaws in Portland. Dana, what can you tell us?
Hi, Sam. I'm currently on Caleb Street in the Rosemont neighborhood in Portland. Right now, Caleb Street does not have power. It's very dark behind me. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it because unfortunately our light died because of the rain, but we do have a downed tree as well as some downed wires in this neighborhood, so that's causing some of those power outages. Remember, if you do see any downed wires, don't approach them because they can be dangerous. At least right now in Portland, the wind has died down a little bit. It's a lot less from where we were even a couple of hours ago, but we still have that driving rain. However, that is going to kind of continue overnight, and we are still going to see some of those peak wind gusts throughout areas of the mid-coast into down East Maine as well. Ryan Breton will have more about that in his full forecast a little bit later. But crews are expected to continue to work to restore power overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. So if you don't have power yet, just be patient because those crews are going to be able to kind of move around once the driving rain and those wind gusts do start to calm down a little bit as this system passes. So at this point, Sam, I'll send things back into the studio for you because we have a lot of driving rain right now, but luckily the winds have started to calm down a little bit. Hopefully it's a bit drier in the studio than it is outside.
All right, Dana Osgood, thank you so much.